Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to take stains out of your item. Now I have a bowl here, an old bowl, and as you can see we've got a little chip here and it's been stained. So we need to take the staining out before we actually start applying any Milliput. Otherwise, whatever you apply, be it paint or Milliput, the staining will actually come through eventually and show up. Now what you'll need is some rubber gloves, obviously, to put onto the hands just to protect ourselves. Also, if you can actually have a window open, or even better be outside, so you've got some fresh air and ventilation. Now I also have some peroxide here, and I'm using a cream peroxide, and it's 40 vol here. Cream is definitely better than liquid because it won't go everywhere. Liquid will just sort of start dripping everywhere. So a nice cream peroxide. I also have here a cotton bud to apply the peroxide, and I always collect little bottle tops. They're always useful for painting, mixing glue, and also in this case putting in the peroxide. And then I've also got here an old plastic bag. If you've got an old plastic bag or some cling film, just something so we can wrap it up afterwards. So what I'm doing first is I'm just taking the cream peroxide here, and I'm just going to put it just a little bit here into our cap. And we just need a little bit there. Always remember to put the cap straight back on the peroxide. And then I'm just going to take our cotton bud here and start to apply. Now, if you have an item which does have gilding on it, you really want to avoid any gilding because you don't want to be taking anything out or anything you think may strip. But this is fine. I can also, it's got a little hairline crack, so I'm going to apply also very carefully along the hairline crack. And you can be quite liberal with this. And then not to forget sort of the other side as well. This isn't too bad, just on the underside. And I'm going to leave this on for around, I'll leave it on for a good 24 hours actually. If you find it starts to dry out, you can always reapply a little more of the peroxide. So once we've just done that, I'm going to take my bag and I'm just going to place it in carefully. But again, if you do have cling film or something, that's fine too. And I'll just zip that back up. I always use one which I can reuse as well. So just let me show you here. Just take that there, zip it up without using my zipping the gloves, and I will leave this here, as I say, for 24 hours, and then I will rinse it off with some cool warm water and make sure it's nice and clean. If there's still a bit of staining, I will actually reapply, waiting for it to dry, then reapply the peroxide again and go through the same process. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, please consider, and a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.